Alright, so this is an ultrasonic sensor. Today we are going to be seeing how to make a distance finder out of it. So let's start. And before moving, if you haven't seen how ultrasonic sensor works, you can see it in my YouTube shop. And here components used are breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires and Arduino Uno. And here as you can see there are 4 pins: the VCC, trigger pin, echo pin and ground. The VCC and ground is used to power up the module, and here TRIG means trigger, which means from Arduino board to the ultrasonic sensor a 10 microsecond signal is given. And here ECHO means echo, which means when the ultrasonic sensor sends the sound and it gets reflected back, it sends the signal back to the Arduino. Now do the connections as per the circuit diagram. Place the pins on breadboard. Place the VCC to 5 volt, ground to ground, and trigger to 9 and echo to 10. Open Arduino icon.
Alright, so first click on here and go to and select your Arduino board. Now let us come to our code. So here first I have declared an integer type variable named as trig pin to pin number 9, and also here I have created another variable named as echo pin for pin number 10, and another variable to see the duration, and a float type variable known as distance to store the distance value so that it can print on the serial monitor. Now in this void setup the code is written which has to be run once. So first I will write serial.begin so that in the serial monitor at the rate of 9600 the communication can happen and we can see whatever the values we need to see. And I will declare here pin mode trigger pin as output because the Arduino is sending the code to the trigger pin, and again pin mode echo pin as input because whatever the values which will be coming from the echo pin is sent to the Arduino again, which is the output. And first I will write in void loop, which means here the code is written which has to be run once, which has to be run multiple times. And in digital write trigger pin low I will declare, which means it will give a low signal to the trigger pin and it will take 2 microseconds of delay by this command. And again I will write digital pin trigger pin as high, which means it will give a binary high data to the trigger pin, and again it will leave 10 microseconds of delay, and again it gives a low signal. Now at this time the duration is pulse in echo pin high, which means whatever the ultrasonic sound is reflected back, that pulses is sent by the echo pin to the Arduino.
And the last 3 lines is used to print the distance, and we will give a delay of 0.1 seconds. And the code will start to compile. And click on the upload button. And here as you can see, if you move the object we can see the distance. So, and circuit diagram and code link is in the description, and let me know in the comments what next video would you like me to make.